This is my booster. I've got a cab with lights. I do that tonight. Let's see. This is a sighting.
Windmill Steve helped me with it. He did the money, he helped me design it.
Yeah, very nice. I like your backdrop. That's really professional. Did you paint it?
No, I found somebody.
Yeah, that's okay. That's great.
Somebody on custom trees.
I'm getting my test, Robert. Have you seen my cab booster?
Yes, I see that. You've done that before.
Oh yeah.
This is how our like what you asked me to do yesterday. Just go ask Steve.